Welcome. In today's video, we're going to explore a handy new update in the WhatsApp app that allows you to send photos as documents from your PC. This feature is perfect for preserving image quality or sharing files in a more organized manner. Let's get started with the simple steps. First, open the WhatsApp app on your computer. If you haven't logged in yet, you'll need to scan the QR code using your mobile device to connect your accounts. Once you're in, you'll see your chats displayed on the screen, just like on your phone. Next, find the contact you want to send the photo to. You can either scroll through your list of conversations or use the search bar at the top. Just type in their name, and their chat will appear. Click on it to open the conversation window. Now that you're in the chat, it's time to send your photo. Look for the attachment icon, which looks like a paperclip. Clicking this icon will bring up a menu with different options for sharing files. From this menu, select Documents. This will open your File Explorer, allowing you to browse through your computer's files. Navigate to the location where your photo is saved. When you find the image you want to share, click on it to select it. After you've chosen the photo, click Open. This action will attach the photo as a document in the chat. You can add a message or caption if you'd like to give your contact some context about the image. When you're ready to send it, simply hit the Send button. And there you have it. You've successfully sent a photo as a document on WhatsApp using your PC. This update makes it easier than ever to share high-quality images without losing any details. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tricks on using WhatsApp and other apps. Thanks for watching, and happy sharing on WhatsApp.